But temperatures generally above freezing, so that wouldn't support a whole lot of snow for us. I'll take you out to our Kings Island camera here up in Mesa. This was one area that saw snow last night. Looks like maybe some rain falling, might have some snow mixing in just based on the camera view here. But right now looks like mostly rain being detected by our radar this morning. We do have a little bit more shower activity back to the west. Radar's not picking up on that right now, but likely some mixing there happening on the back side of this system. You've got some rain showers here falling in Clinton County, or Claremont County, excuse me, from Newtonsville to Batavia and Amelia, back into New Richmond, Anderson, Milford, and Loveland. Northern Brown County seeing some showers around Fayetteville, Midland, Clarksville, Wilmington, Sabina, Lebanon, Waynesville. Areas back to the west, all in some spotty light rain. And then as you make your way through Winchester and Peebles, you have some showers there as well. West Union, south of you have a little bit of wet weather this morning. We'll take you out to our radar right now. We're back to the west again. We have some additional rain showers, some mixing happening around Indianapolis. So some cold air wrapping in on the back side of this system. So I think it's the last of this pushes through, and it should be very minor between 7 and 9 o'clock this morning. Probably see a quick little shot of a wintry mix here, maybe even some wet snowflakes, and then the temperatures really tumble as the cold front actually pushes through as we head through today. I don't think you're going to have any issues with icing this morning. Maybe on the bridges and overpasses, especially up north here where we're finding road temperatures in the lower 30s to high 20s. I think for most communities, though, you should have okay driving conditions. Roads were just wet when I came in today. Forecast temperatures today at 38 to start, and then we're going to see those temperatures fall as we head through today. You can see there that mixing being picked up on the back side of the system. So around 7, 8 o'clock, all of this coming to an end, and we're going to be left with an overcast day and some blustery conditions as we head towards tonight. Through tomorrow, mainly cloudy day. I don't think we're going to see anything in the way of snowfall until later on in the evening. So overnight tonight, we'll call it mostly cloudy. Temperatures fall to the low and middle 20s, and then tomorrow 36 for the high with mainly cloudy skies. Picking this back up Monday night, you've got some snow coming in to the region. So this is a look at our next system Monday night into Tuesday. You can see snow showers starting between 10 and midnight. We'll have times of fairly steady snowfall through the overnight hours, so I think that could allow for some accumulation here across the region as we head into your Tuesday morning, but a lot of models clearing this out sometime between about 9 and noon, if not beforehand. Models still varying greatly on this. I'd love to be able to put some numbers on this for you today. At this point, it would just be extremely difficult to do that. I do think accumulation and slick driving are likely for many overnight Monday into Tuesday. How much snow still to be determined. The track of the system really going to impact that. But I would say at this point, several inches possible for some communities out of this system. And then it clears on out and we're left with some cold weather behind it as you head into Wednesday. Friday's going to be another shot at some rain and snow here. Again, this is still about 6 days out, so we're watching this late week system. Still far to determine any specifics with this, but I would plan on a fairly wet day with temperatures of around 35. Again, as the day goes on, as the week goes on, we'll fine tune that forecast for you. But it does look dry as you head into Saturday, at least right now, with cloud cover and temperatures near 40.